3 photography projects that will improve your skills. When it comes to improving your photography, it's hard to beat the tried-and-true method of learning by doing. Photography projects will give you focus, direction, and an end goal to work towards. Combine those 3 factors, and you have an ideal setting in which you can improve your skills. Try out one or all of these projects and see how they can help you grow as a photographer. Portraiture of strangers. Grab your camera and hit the streets. When you spot a fascinating character, kindly approach them, explain what you are doing, and ask if you may take a portrait of them. You'll find most people will begin to relax and open up when they're talking about themselves. This exercise will build your interpersonal skills, which are essential to portraiture. Looking for and selecting your subjects will strengthen your eye as you find yourself beginning to pay closer attention to the finer details of the surrounding life. Daily photo diary. This is one of the most obvious photography projects, but it's not without reason. Pick a single subject and photograph it every day for a set number of days. Just make sure that each photograph is unique and different from the others. Your subject can be anything from your pet, child, a personal belonging, or even yourself. The goal here is to force your mind to think outside of the box and experiment with different techniques and styles you may otherwise would have never made use of. It's a great way to jumpstart your creativity and enrich your personal style by incorporating new ideas into it. Ditch the digital cameras are great in the sense that we can immediately see the images we take, but that same blessing also makes it a little too easy to rely on the fact that if we don't get it right the first time, we can just trash it and have another go at it or just import it into Photoshop and fix our mistakes there. For this project, we're going to ditch our digital cameras and dust off our old film cameras. While you're at it, go ahead and splurge on a pricey roll of slide film. It will help you not want to waste frames. By doing so, you will find yourself slowing down and really taking the time to make sure you have the proper exposure, composition, etc. Choose a common theme for the roll of film. Flowers, sunrise, transportation, whatever your heart desires.